Namaste, sir. Right, 41 days ago, we started Zoom sessions in Marathi for all the pyramid meditation seekers. And today we have completed 41 days, first 41 days mandala, and as a part of celebration, we have a small message for you and Patriji. So, thank you so much for all your energies and introducing us to pyramid meditation.
Thank you, Brahma Shri Pitamah Patriji and Ayyappa Pindi sir, from the bottom of my heart, with love, compassion, and gratitude. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Anjali and I want to thank Brahmashri Pitama Patriji and Ayyappa sir for the knowledge of meditation. In these 41 days, my concentration has developed a lot and it has helped in my studies. So I will continue doing meditation and thank you once again.
Thank you Patriji and Ayyappa sir to giving us the mantra of meditation. Now we are completing 41 days of meditation and I have become a pure vegetarian and cured all my diseases and my concentration has also increased. I will spread this joy among my friends and relatives.
Thank you Patriji and Ayyappa sir for the experience which I have received from the pyramid meditation.
And Ayyappa sir, I feel very good after doing meditation. It is very important for all human beings for good health. Thank you sir.
Namaste, I am Sumedha. I feel happy after meditation. Thank you both of you, Patriji and Ayyappa Pindi sir. Thank you.
I am Ishwari and first of all thank you to Patriji and Ayyappa sir. Because of them I have get the knowledge about meditation and I am very happy to do the meditation and I will just keep it up. Thank you.
Hello, myself Nanda. I am from Nasik. We are completing our 41-day meditation. I would like to say thank you Patriji and thank you Ayyappa sir, and also wants to thanks to my little angel Sanjana. You all are the one who enlighten my path by removing the darkness of ignorance. So Patriji, we are really waiting for you and Pyramid in Nasik city. Thank you.
Namaste Patriji and Ayyappa sir. My name is Vedashri and I am 10 years old. First few days I avoided the meditation and I used to play whole day. I was not able to concentrate on anything. Then later on I started meditation which helped me in my housework, games and studies, and I also experienced jungle, birds, river and their sounds. Thank you. Keep blessing on me.
Thank you so much Ayyappa sir and Patriji. I have experienced the great flow of cosmic energy while meditating in these 41 days of mandala, and there are many great changes in my life and in my nature, and I will give this all credit to the pyramid meditation. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much Patriji and Ayyappa sir for getting this great activity. Also thank you pyramid meditation. Due to this meditation I am able to face challenges confidently and peacefully. Thank you so much.
Namaste, I am Medhavi. I realize the importance of meditation because of you. I feel relaxed and energetic after doing meditation. Thank you Patriji and Ayyappa Pindi sir for making me a member of Pyramid family. Thank you.
Thank you Patriji for meditation, and your followers Savita Shinde and Miss Sanjana Pote. Through their guidance we have achieved more than expectation. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Mansi and we are completing our 41 days of mandala. I would like to say thank you Patriji and Ayyappa sir. It was really a great experience for me. Also thank you Sanjana Di for turning me into a meaningful person. Thank you.
Everyone, myself Pasanti Geete. I am really blessed to have Patriji and Ayyappa sir as my gurus. Meditation had bring lot of happiness and joy in my life. Thank you.
नमस्ते। 40 डेज पिरामिड मेडिटेशन से मैं बहुत ही प्रभावित हुई हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने पहले भी योगा, प्राणायाम और मेडिटेशन किया है, लेकिन ये पिरामिड मेडिटेशन से मुझे जो डायनामिक एनर्जी मिली है, मैं इसे अभी लाइफ में कंटिन्यू करना चाहती हूँ। थैंक्स फॉर पिंडी सर जी गेट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी।
I am very much thankful to Patriji and Ayappa sir for giving us meditation. My life has changed with so much experiences. Thank you.
Thank you, Ayappa sir and Patriji, for introducing meditation to this new era. I felt very blissful when I saw I had my first experience and I saw light blue, dark blue and purple color, and it felt very nice. So thank you very much.
Namaste Patriji sir and Ayappa sir. I'm Aboli Patil. I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for spreading awareness about meditation among the people. Meditation does really help me to stay calm and relax. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Patriji and Ayappa sir, for your wonderful guidance of pyramid meditation.
I am very thankful to Patriji and Ayappa sir. Because of them, I am on this platform of meditation. This experience is self-motivating. I come to know about inner soul and my strength. This meditation program helped me to think positive and concentrate on my breath. This is just a beginning. I have to learn much more in my forthcoming meditation. Thank you very much once again.
Thanks Patriji and Ayappa sir. Because of your pyramid meditation, I feel very happy and enthusiasm. When I meditate, then I saw an angel in my meditation, and it was a very great experience for me. Thank you.
Now we will be continuing our meditation journey for lifelong, and from tomorrow we will start with our new 41 days mandala in Marathi Zoom sessions, and people are really very much inspired and they look forward for every sessions and they enjoy doing meditation. And we all promise, from behalf of everyone, I all promise to you that we will continue doing meditation for the lifelong and spiritual service too. Thank you. Dhanyawad.